The Disability and Philanthropy Forum presents Dr. Poorna Kushalnagar, Director at the Center for Deaf Health Equity. Dr. Kushalnagar signs to camera with an interpreter off-screen.
So, ableism and how this has a negative impact on people with disabilities, I think, is something that comes up a lot in research, especially when it comes to federal funding and private funding. So, for example, the review panel typically are people from privileged groups, and they typically bring people who have disabilities who are from privileged communities. So they may likely be white and male and also present as having a disability. And so they have a limited lens when it comes to reviewing research studies. They may think that that research is good, and they may not see things such as the lack of diversity. They may have a difficult time helping generalize the study into practices that could be beneficial for all communities, particularly those with diverse backgrounds. And when they overlook that, the funding for the research gets approved with that overlooked. So therefore, it doesn't have a positive impact with people with disabilities and from diverse backgrounds. And so when we talk about including people with disabilities, they come from often privileged backgrounds, and we don't think of those who with intersectional identities, such as those who identify as LGBTQ, those with intellectual disabilities, those who have racial or ethnic backgrounds and cultural experience. And this is an issue that is perpetuated. So what's good for one group isn't good for others. And so it puts a marginalized community at further disparity. And so this is where ableism starts, is actually with the review panel, the scientists, when we're funding research. And I feel that we need to promote diversity way back at the beginning, and increase diverse perspectives, and promote equitable types of research. And so in order for that to happen, we have to be funding it and reviewing it with those lenses in mind.
To continue your learning journey, visit disabilityphilanthropy.org.